Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is Mastering the Cloud, a comprehensive guide to Google Cloud Platform. Let's start. Introduction to Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform is a comprehensive suite of cloud computing services offered by Google. It provides a wide range of tools and services for businesses, developers, and individuals to build, deploy, and manage applications and infrastructure in the cloud. Google Cloud Platform is known for its scalability, reliability, and performance, making it a popular choice for organizations of all sizes. Key services and offerings. Google Cloud Platform offers a wide array of services and products across various domains, including compute services. Google Cloud Platform provides virtual machines through Google Compute Engine, manage Kubernetes cluster via Google Kubernetes Engine, and several computing with Google Cloud Functions. This flexibility allows users to choose the right compute options for the specific needs. Storage services. Google Cloud Storage offers scalable and durable object storage, while Clouds and Cloud BigTable provide managed database solutions. For big data analysis, GCP offers BigQuery, a fully managed serverless data warehouse. Networking. GCP offers a global network infrastructure allowing users to build and manage complex multi-region deployments. Google Cloud, CDN, and Cloud Interconnect improve content delivery and network connectivity. Data and analytics. BigQuery, Dataflow, Data Prep, and Data Proc are tools for processing and analyzing large datasets. GCP offers a machine learning services like A1 Platform VN, A1 and natural language processing. Security and identity. GCP provides robust security features including identity and access management, cloud identify aware proxy, and security command center. Users can encrypt data and rest and in a transit and take advantages Google's security enterprise. Development and management tools. GCP offers a suite of developer tools including Cloud Build of continuous integration and continuous development, Cloud Source repositories for versions control, and Cloud Debugger for debugging applications in production. Advantages of using GCP. Scalability. GCP's infrastructure is designed for scalability, allowing businesses to easily accommodate increased workloads as they grow. Global reach. GCP has data centers in regions worldwide, ensuring latency access and redundancy, security. Google invests heavily in security, offering advanced features and compliance certification to protect customer data. Cost management. GCP offers tools like Cost Explorer and billing reports to help users monitor and optimize their cloud spendings. A1 and M1 integration. GCP's machine learning services make it accessible for businesses to leverage A1 for various applications. Hybrid and multi-cloud. Google's Anthos platform enables hybrid and multi-cloud developments, giving users flexibility in where they run their workloads. Getting started with GCP. To get started with GCP, users typically follow these steps. Create a GCP account. Sign up for a GCP account and set up billing. Access the console. The GCP console provides a web-based interface for managing resources. Choose services. Select the GCP services and products that suit your needs. Develop and deploy. Use GCP tools and services to build and deploy applications. Monitor and optimize. Continuously monitor usage and cost and optimize resources for efficiency. Security and compliance. Implement security best practices and ensure compliance with industry regulations. GCP commitment to sustainability. Google is committed to sustainability and renewable energy. GCP aims to be carbon neutral and has announced plans to operate on 24/7 carbon-free energy by 2030. Conclusion. Google Cloud Platform is a powerful and versatile cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of services to meet the needs of businesses and developers. Its scalability, global reach, security features, and focus on A1 and machine learning make it a competitive choice in the cloud computing landscape. Whether you are a startup, enterprise, or individual developer, GCP provides the tool and infrastructure to innovate and grow in the digital age.